how to review others' posts to your timeline on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review others' posts to your timeline on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, click on it and then just go down until you find settings and now just go down again. Here you will find activity log and then click interactions, and now if you want to review it just click others posts to your timeline. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.